How to make your college information private on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make your college information private on Facebook mobile. First thing you're gonna do is go to Facebook and then click these three lines here and go down and click settings and privacy, and now click settings and then go down until you find profile information and click on it, and here you will find your college. Just click this pin here and then click edit school, and now click here and you can make it only for you or for your friends, and then just click save and it will be saved. And don't forget like and see you in the next video.